The story of this breakthrough begins inside the most overlooked organ in the human body. It is hidden inside our bones, it works every second of our lives, and without it, survival becomes impossible. This organ is the bone marrow, the biological engine that produces billions of blood cells every single day. It creates the soldiers that fight infections, the cells that carry oxygen, and the platelets that stop bleeding. Yet, despite its importance, scientists have struggled for decades to study it properly because real human bone marrow is incredibly complex, and until now, no one has ever recreated it in the laboratory in its true form. That changes today. In a milestone achievement, researchers at the University of Basel and the University Hospital Basel have successfully engineered the world's first fully human bone marrow model that behaves almost exactly like the real thing. There are no animal components, no simplified structures, and no artificial shortcuts. It is a true three-dimensional human blood factory built entirely from human cells. It is the closest scientists have ever come to replicating the natural environment where human blood is born. To understand why this matters, we need to look at the enormous challenge that scientists have faced for decades. Bone marrow is not a simple tissue. It is a universe of different cell types, nerves, blood vessels, and bone structures, all working together in microscopic harmony. Inside it are special regions called niches, including the endosteal niche that sits close to the bone surface. This area plays a major role in blood formation and is linked to how blood cancers like leukemia develop resistance to treatment. Researchers have always wanted to study this niche directly, but animal models simply do not match human biology, and flat two-dimensional cultures cannot recreate the complexity. This is where the Basel team took a bold new approach. They began by creating an artificial bone scaffold using hydroxyapatite, the same mineral that forms our bones and teeth. This scaffold behaved like a physical skeleton for the tissue. Into it, they introduced human-induced pluripotent stem cells, which are adult cells reprogrammed back into a stem cell state. These stem cells are powerful because they can turn into almost any cell type in the human body. Once embedded inside the artificial bone structure, they received precise molecular signals that guided them into becoming bone cells, blood vessel cells, nerve cells, immune cells, and other components of real bone marrow. What emerged was a detailed three-dimensional bone marrow model about 8 millimeters wide and 4 millimeters thick, large enough to contain the full complexity of the endosteal niche. When the researchers introduced human blood-forming cells into this engineered structure, something remarkable happened. The tissue maintained normal blood production for weeks, just like real bone marrow inside the body. It did not collapse, it did not fail, and it did not behave like a simplified lab model. It acted like a living, functioning piece of human bone marrow. The implications of this achievement are enormous. First, it can reduce the need for animal testing. Scientists will now be able to study diseases, run experiments, and test drugs on human-like tissue instead of relying on mouse models that often fail to predict human outcomes. Second, it can accelerate the development of new leukemia treatments. The engineered bone marrow can show how cancer cells resist therapy, hide inside the endosteal niche, and survive chemotherapy. Third, it opens the door to personalized medicine. In the future, doctors may be able to build a miniature bone marrow model using a patient's own cells. They could then test multiple drugs on the model and choose the single most effective treatment without exposing the patient to trial and error. The researchers believe that the system will eventually support drug development, cancer treatment optimization, and deep biological research into how blood forms. Although the model is still too large for high-volume drug screening, miniaturized versions could make personalized testing possible. This breakthrough also hints at long-term possibilities in regenerative medicine, including lab-grown bone marrow for transplantation. For now, this achievement represents a major step forward in bioengineering. It shows that complex human tissues can be recreated with remarkable accuracy and that the future of human-centered biomedical research is closer than we imagined. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most important breakthroughs in modern biology, Make sure you like this video, subscribe to Days In, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us continue exploring the discoveries that are quietly reshaping the future of science, technology, and human health.